the video store, and you. Welcome to the Monroeville video family. You are a valuable asset to the store. We are excited to have you on the team. Remember, you are going places. Each day, a note will be left on the checkout counter. These notes will outline the tasks that you are expected to complete before the end of your scheduled shift. At some point, the power may go out. The breaker box is in the basement. Don't worry, there is a flashlight on the checkout counter. Today, your only tasks are to complete this training course and sort the returned VHS tapes, which are located in the box on the floor, behind the checkout counter. Each VHS clamshell is color-coded to the corresponding genre that it belongs to. Each genre has its own individual section on the video library floor. Simply put the VHS clamshell in an empty slot on the appropriate shelf. If you feel like you need a refresher at any point, feel free to review this video at any time. You are now ready to become a productive member of the Monroeville video team. Remember, you matter. Oh, and one more thing. If you see anything at all out of the ordinary, it's probably just your imagination. But if you see anyone else in the store, go to the manager's office, lock the door, and wait there quietly until the end of your shift.